Hi, this is Ayşenur Altan. Today I'm gonna show you a different köfte. It is very popular in steak restaurants throughout Turkey. With a technique, it is very easy to fill the beautiful köfte with as much as cheese you want. First, I'm gonna share my story behind making this recipe. It was a busy morning. I was planning to edit as well as cleaning the house. Then I got a call from my mom asking how to go to Emirgan Park. I did something crazy, something beautiful for myself today. I was going to sit down for the computer to finish my next video. Then my mom called. They are going to Emirgan Park, taking a ferry. I said, oh, without me? They said, okay, come. Where they are going is like more than 2 hours away. I said, I cannot come. Then my mind just, this could be the last time. I said I should be with them. It took about 2.5 hours for me to come, but I'm very close to them. I just called. I didn't say anything that I'm here. Now it's time to meet. Let's see where they are. I want to go from behind. I can see them. They cannot see me yet. Yeah, they wanted to come to the park, but it's kind of uphill. They are sitting here. They are old, but still want to come. Okay, here we are. Selamünaleyküm.
Nasıl bağırıyor?
Aleykümselam.
Bensiz.
Gerçekten nasıl geldi?
Allah gönderdi.
Nasıl korktum dedim deli.
Şuraya oturayım.
Neredeydin sen?
Yolda.
Ya.
Buraya geldim işte siz gelince.
Hadi be.
Vallahi evden geldim.
Vay vay.
Yani fırçayı bırakıp geldim yani. Dedim olmaz, geleceğim.
Nereden nereye maşallah. Diyenlere selamlar, sevgiler İstanbul'da.
She's saying hi to everyone from Bosporus, Istanbul. She said it would be nice to fish here. Giriyor.
Rüyamda görsem inanmam. Güzel geldim, beraber geçirdik. Allah razı olsun.
Happy me. Teşekkürler. Sıcaktır ha.
Güzel. Limon bile istemiyor yani. Limonlu gibi.
Peki.
Good.
Koyayım mı?
Köfte yapsın.
Bakayım.
Tavuklu şehriye çorba.
Benimki daha güzel oldu.
My dad says mine is better than her. I ordered köfte with kaşar. I thought maybe I can try and give you the recipe. That's why I choose this. So let's try. Kaşarlı köfte.
Şiş köfte.
Hı?
Şiş mi? İyi, işe geçelim.
Heybeliada'da 1957'de. Nerede?
Çiniciyle mi? Çini
Hangi binayı yapıyordunuz?
askeriyenin içinde.
Tamam işte askeriyede.
Orada askeriye var solda hemen. O tepeleri falan.
We're gonna return with a 4 p.m. ferry from Emirgan to Eminönü. yemekler?
Güzeldi. Harika tabii.
Güzel.
Beraber olmamız daha da güzel.
Evet.
Muhakkak.
Güzel
Evet.
bir sürpriz oldu. Allah razı olsun.
Cümlemizden. I'm so happy that I came, leaving all the work behind. This day is not gonna come back again. Now back home, I'm gonna try to make the cheese-filled köfte that I tasted in the restaurant. In total, I have 700 grams meat, 400 grams is beef and 300 grams is lamb. I'm gonna grate one onion. It was very big, so I keep third of it. 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin, and 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 egg, and adding about half a teaspoon or little less baking soda, and 3 tablespoons. First I'm gonna add breadcrumbs, and then if it needs I'm gonna add more. Just going to knead everything until it is smooth and everything is well combined. I'm gonna add 3, it is in total a clove of garlic, very small. While kneading the köfte, you can dip your hand into water to prevent sticking. It will also help you to shape. I knead the köfte for about 5-7 minutes. Added in total 6 tablespoons a bit heaped breadcrumbs. And now going to let it rest in the fridge an hour. It is better to rest at least 2 hours or overnight. Meanwhile, as a side dish, I made bulgur pilav with peppers and tomato paste. If you want me to share the recipe, please write down in the comments. Okay, my köfte is rested. I have a freezer bag that I cut to open it. And here are the shredded kashar. And now I'm gonna shape it. Just going to get a bowl. And I need some water. Here it is. Just going to dip my hands to the water so it doesn't stick. Shape a bowl. It is like a small mandarin size. And wet a little bit here too. And either with hand or just rolling pin, roll out thinly. Just a quick reminder, you can support my channel just by giving thumbs up, leaving your comments and sharing my videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new on my channel. We can help to make it round with the back of the knife. Add some kashar. And again with the bake, I'm gonna seal it. You can dip your hand. And here it is. A big one. You can make it smaller. It's ready. It's very thin, as you can see. easy to shape too. My cast iron grilling pan is well heated. Just lightly brushing with olive oil and place the kaşarlı köfte. I'm also gonna serve some grilled green peppers and tomato slices. An important hint is wait at least 2-3 minutes to release the köfte before turning it over so it doesn't stick. To be able to fully cook after cooking the sides, I also turned it up to get a nice color on the side as well. As a side dish, I made bulgur pilav with tomato paste and peppers. I have similar recipes, but if you want specifically this one, just write in the comments. For the salad, I chopped lettuce, add cooked beans, shredded carrots, chopped cucumber and tomatoes, and thinly sliced and washed onions. Drizzled some olive oil and lots of lemon juice, some salt, sumac powder, and it's ready. We were, as a whole family, very pleased with the result. I got nice big cheese-filled köftes, grilled well. So give it a try, and I have many other köfte recipes on the channel you can check. All the details I'm gonna add to the description box. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Afiyet olsun.